We are in circle, y'all been going all around. Somewhere in the world, now we're trying to find it out. Who think we be here right now? As a team, we're figuring it out. We've been walking, seeing tall buildings. All the culture and the richness is invigorating. Got souls and uplifting. Yeah, we're singing new things we never thought that we'd see. We're being people we never thought we would meet. We're hearing languages and words very interesting. We're seeing new things we never thought we would see. We're meeting people we never thought we would meet. We're hearing new words and they're very interesting. We're in Serbia, somewhere away from Brixton. I said we were in Serbia. They say Brixton, it's time you're gonna meet somewhere new.
Everybody is born creative, yeah? You don't need any special skills. We're all born with it within us. So you shouldn't be afraid to try something out.
I would say the spirit of this place is something really special.
Ovo sam napravila na radionici, bila je jako lepa zato što smo svi pustili mašti na volju i bila je super energija, a svidjelo mi se zato što smo stvarno svi napravili što smo htjeli.
There's a creative energy in the building that you feel when you walk in, and it's inspiring.
I've really enjoyed because I felt welcome and I've not felt out of place or disjointed, which is a really positive thing for me. And the interactions with the people that have come to the centre, and they've been open and warm and so willing to take part in all that's been offered. And there's been a genuine interest in getting to know one another, and that's felt sort of, more like family than strangers in that way. And I felt that we've kind of assimilated in very quickly, so it's felt seamless and felt very much at ease and very invigorated, and yeah, it's been a wonderful experience.
I felt so welcomed and encouraged to teach and facilitate from everyone here. Everyone's just been so enthusiastic to come and try out and be part of this community, and this space clearly means so much to people. It's a real hub of like safety and openness, and a place where maybe it feels okay to just be yourself, and I've definitely felt that, and I have the same feeling in my organisation at home. I just feel very valued as a person and what I can bring.